Good morning. Jai Shri Swaminarayan. SSDM School CBSE Mankwa, runs by Shri Sahajanand Gurukul Mankwa, welcomes you all to this online education. I am Jyoti Bhanushali. Today we are studying about SST subject of Standard 8 and our topic is what, where, how and when. Today we will learn about history, chapter number 1. In our last video, we learned about where the people live, what they ate, how can we know about our past and so on. We will also saw a map. Now, let's learn about the names of the land. First of all, students, as I told you in my every video, that keep your note, your pencil, your textbook with you, okay? And what I will write on this board, you will have to write it in your notebooks. Now, names of the land means which land? This land, our country. Okay, which are the names of our country? Yes, India and yes, very good, Bharat. Yes, or we call it Hindustan also. Okay, so do you know that where it comes from? Where the name India and Bharat comes from? Yes, जैसे कि इंडिया जो वर्ड है वो इंदूस पर से आया है, जो कि सिंधु थे और उनको संस्कृत में उनको सिंधु बोला जाता है. Write it down. First one is India. The word India comes from Indus. And in Sanskrit, it is called a Sindhu. Okay. Next one is Bharat. We called it as Bharat also. So where the Bharat, the name Bharat comes from? Okay, Bharat comes from the people who lived in the north part of the country. They called the Bharata and also mentioned in Rigved. See, the name Bharat was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest and who are mentioned in Rigved. The earliest composition in Sanskrit, later it was used as a country. Means वो लोग कि जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट पार्ट में रहते थे और उनको ऋग्वेद, जो हमारे वेद हैं पुराने, अथर्ववेद, यजुर्वेद, सामवेद एंड ऋग्वेद, तो उसमें से जो ऋग्वेद है उसमें उनको मेंशन किया गया है. So they are called Bharat. Okay. Write it down. Mentioned people who lived in north part and mentioned in the Rigveda. Okay, they are called the Bharatas, and the word Bharat is comes from that. So we call the land India and Bharat. Now let's see how the India historians find out this past, means finding about the past. First, write it down. Okay. So there are several ways to find out the past. Means in our last video we learned about that, we find out that what the people were, what they eat, what they do, means which songs they sung, they listen, right? Which play they do, where they live. This is the things that we can find out. Now there are several, means different ways to find out this all things. Now so many times you may heard that historians have some sources. Yes, historians have some sources by which they can find the past. Now you wonder that, or you have a question that which sources are there, right? So let's see. I am going to rough it. Okay. Our second topic is finding out about the past. Okay, so as we know, there are so many ways. Okay, there are sources. So let's see which sources by which the historians can find out the past. The first one is manuscripts. Write it down. The first one is manuscripts. Now students, you have a question that what is manuscript, right? So in Sanskrit the word manu means hands. Yes, and scripts means the written text. So the word manuscripts means the text written by hands. In Sanskrit, the word manu means hands. So, manuscripts means what? Yes, manuscripts means handwritten. Now, in ancient times, sorry, it is a retake करता, ओए retake करना.